Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins for breakfast. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. For the wet components, have 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 large eggs ready. Don't forget a pinch of salt and any flavorings you desire, like vanilla extract. This simple list sets us up for delicious results. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate, smaller bowl, lightly beat the eggs, then stir in the milk and oil. Create a well in the center of your dry ingredients and pour in the wet mixture. Gently fold everything together until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing leads to tough muffins. It's time to bake those delicious muffins. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a 12-cup muffin tin by lining it with paper liners or greasing each cup thoroughly. Evenly divide your batter among the cups, filling each about 2/3 full. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool slightly before enjoying. Here are a few tips for your muffin-making journey. Feel free to customize your muffins by adding 1/2 cup of fresh berries, chocolate chips, or nuts to the batter. For best results, serve them warm, but cooled muffins can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days. They also freeze well for longer enjoyment. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean after baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.